Hello. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. Welcome sa ating channel. At bago tayo magpatuloy, pakihingi ng isang like and subscribe. At huwag kalimutang pindutin ang notification bell para lagi tayong updated sa mga bagong upload natin. Okay, so our topic is about solving volume of a cylinder. Okay, so ito yung formula natin sa volume of a cylinder. Volume equals pi r squared times height. Okay, so proceed agad tayo sa ating example number 1. Find the volume of a cylinder with radius measuring 2 meters and height 4 meters. So we will use the pi that is equal to 3.14. Okay, so based sa figure natin, yung height natin dyan is 4 meters. Tapos yung radius is 2 meters. Solution, yung formula, volume of a cylinder, that is pi r squared times height. Okay, volume equals yung value ng pi, that is 3.14. Tapos r is 2 meters, diba? So that is 2 squared. Then times value of height na 4 or 4 meters. Then simplify natin, volume equals 3.14. Then yung 2 squared magiging 4. Then multiply natin sa 4. So that is equal to volume equals multiply natin 3.14, multiply natin sa 4. So that is 12.56. Then multiply na naman natin sa 4. So final answer is volume is equal to 50.24 meter cube. Okay? Therefore, yung volume of a cylinder is 50.24 meter cube. Next example, number 2. The diameter of a can of sardines is 5 centimeter or 5 cm. The height is 8.5 centimeter. What is the volume of the tin can? So, solution natin dito. Of course, ang formula, pi r squared times height. Then, since diameter yan, so yung radius yung given na, yung hanapin natin yung radius natin dito. So, ang diameter is 5. So, ang radius is half of the diameter. Diba? So, r equals d over 2. Kasi half yan ng diameter yung radius. So, yung diameter is 5. So, therefore, 5 divided by 2. So, yung radius natin is 2.5. Okay, so i-substitute natin sa ating formula. Okay, so volume equals value ng pi, that is 3.14, tapos yung r squared, that is 2.5 squared, times 8.5. Simplify natin yung 2.5 squared, so that becomes 6.25. Okay, multiply natin sa 8.5, saka yung 3.14. So, 3.14 times 6.25, that is 19.625. Then, multiply natin sa 8.5. So, therefore, yung final answer volume is 166.8125 centimeter cube or 166.81 centimeter cube. So, yun ang value ng ating volume, 166.81 centimeter cube. Okay, number 3. So, what is the height of a cylinder whose radius is 5 dm and has a volume of 471 dm cube? So, hinahanap natin dito yung height. Okay? So, solution natin dito, of course, yung formula, volume of a cylinder, that is pi r squared times height. So, ito yung given. Volume is 471 dm cube. Tapos yung radius natin, that is 5 dm. Yung height, ito yung hinahanap. Okay? Hanapin natin yung height. So, i-substitute natin yung volume. So, magiging 471 yan. Okay, then equals value ng pi, which is 3.14 times value ng r, or yung radius, so is 5 squared. So, times height. So, 471 equals 3.14. Simplify natin yung 5 squared. So, that is 25 times height. Then, multiply natin yung 3.14 times 25. So, magiging 78.5 times height. Then, divide natin both sides. 471 divided by 78.5 equals h. H na lang yung naiwan dyan kasi divide both sides yan. 78.5 divided by 78.5. So, cancel natin. So, naiwan is h. So, final answer, height is equal to 6 dm. Okay? Next. Ayan. Last example na tayo. What is the radius of the cylinder whose height is 4 feet and the volume is 24 feet cube? Okay, solution. Hanapin natin dito yung radius. So, volume of a cylinder is pi r squared times height. Given yung volume dito, 50.24 feet cube. Height is 4 feet. So, we will find the value of the radius. Okay? Substitute natin yan. So, ang volume na given ay 50.24 equals yung value ng pi, which is 3.14. Then, yung r na given, unknown, yun ang hinahanap natin. R squared pa rin yan. Then, yung height na 4 or 4 feet. So, 50.24 equals, i-multiply natin si 4 times 3.14. So, that is 12.56 times r squared. Divide both sides by 12.56. Okay, so ang naiwan, r squared na lang sa kabila. Divide natin yan 12.56 times, divide by 12.56. So, r squared yung naiwan. Okay, so that is, pag i-divide natin yan, the result is 4 equals r squared. 50.24 divided by 12.56, the result is 4. Then r squared equals 4, or 4 equals r squared. So, that is square root of 4 equals r squared. Cancel natin yung squared dyan. Then square root of 4 is 2. Okay? So, final answer is 2 feet. Yun ang value ng ating radius. The radius of the cylinder is equal to 2 feet. Okay, so ito na yung topic natin ngayon at maraming salamat sa panonood at pakikinig. At again, sa hindi pa nakasubscribe, pag-subscribe na lang at huwag kalimutang pindutin ang notification bell para lagi tayong updated sa mga bagong upload natin. Okay, at paki-follow na rin sa ating Facebook page, Sir Ariel Math Review. Maraming salamat and God bless. Bye-bye.